guys, to start off, the shoes that we are going to be using is obviously the Nike Air Force 1s. I got them in the size 6 just because I'm a size 6, so make sure you guys get them in your size. I wanted to use this specific shoe and color because I just feel like it would go so much better with the design that we are going to do today. Okay, you guys, so the paint that we're going to be using is the Angelus Acrylic Leather Paint. It looks like this. I heard this brand is really great, but this is going to be my first time using this paint, so I will be letting you guys know how it is. When you guys are buying the paint, I highly recommend using acrylic leather paint, specifically emphasis on the leather, because if you use acrylic paint, I heard it cracks and it just doesn't like last very long. So I got this because I definitely want my design to last very long. What you're also going to be needing is the matte acrylic finisher. I don't know if this is optional, but I highly recommend you guys to get it so you guys can basically do a top coat on your work so it can last a lot longer than regular time. This is only like $7 on Amazon, which is not that bad. And you guys are also going to be needing some brushes for this process as well. So I'm going to be starting off by taking this pencil and just freehand drawing my first butterfly. you guys, so this is what the shoe looks like so far. I am loving the result of the butterfly so far. So this is the end results, you guys. I am so proud of myself. Both shoes are finally done. Let me know what other type of designs you guys would like to see on my channel. I plan to buy more sneakers and doing more cute designs like this, and also more tutorials, because this is something I actually really enjoy. My social media links, my products that I use, all that stuff will be in the description bar below. And thank you guys for watching my video.